Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important hiring for 2024, 2025 as well as 2026 pass out batch. So first important hiring from the Convera, they are hiring software engineer for the role of data science, and this one the wonderful opportunity everyone should apply. So you will be working as data science and this will be your responsibility. You will work with large and complex data sets, apply technical expertise with quantitative analysis, and you can go through complete job link in description. So if you have some knowledge of all that things and you are from bachelor degree, then you can apply for this. Next important hiring from the Cornerstone, they are hiring the junior finance analyst intern, and this is 12-month position. Okay, you might get PPO for the further. So this is intern position and office based, means you have to work from office. So if you have bachelor degrees in all that things, then you can apply for this. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the ShareChat. They are hiring product analyst intern, and ShareChat is one of the large company and one of the wonderful social media brands. So everyone should apply. So what will be your roles and responsibility? You will use, or you will basically means help them for querying in database, scripting, critical thinking, and all things. So if you are from bachelor's in mathematics, economics, computer science, or information management, then you are eligible for this important hiring. And where the job location, that is Bangalore. So you have to give complete details and LinkedIn profile, resume, college, and are you open to relocating to Bangalore, and all those things you have to apply, and then you can just click here submit. So coming to next important opportunity, and that is a kind of internship opportunity. So they are hiring from the 2026 pass out batch BTech, and you should have strong DSA and problem solving knowledge. So if you're interested, you can basically share your resume to this mail ID, or you can just directly fill the form. So they are looking for software developer intern BTech graduate and should proficient in DSA. So you can apply or you can share your resume to her. Friends, I have already provided you update related to mass hiring, that is the TCS NQT 2026, and that is applicable for all 2024, 2025, every 2026 pass out batch. So if you haven't applied through it, then you can apply. Okay, this is the announcement I've already provided, and application process and lots of video related to NQT will be announced. So make sure to subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. And also ICICI Bank Aspire program is going on for all bachelor degree, either from BE, BTech, BA, BCom, PG degree. So if you haven't gone through these all video, then must go through it. These are the wonderful opportunity. Coming to next important opportunity from the Cognizant, they are hiring both 2025 2026 pass out batch, and for the contingency role, and your role will be analyst trainee, and this is eligibility criteria that you should have 3-year full-time degree course. If you are from the BCA, BCom, all those branches, then you can apply from this. Okay, BCA, BSc, BCom, and all things. So actually 2026 and 2025 pass out batch both are eligible. So I'll provide the link for both of them. Okay, and I will already give a new update related to this hiring, that is the Cognizant, and this is the biggest hiring for the Gen Z role. Okay, so these were all important opportunity. Coming to last important opportunity, and for the Kolkata based candidates, so they are hiring for from the BTech 2024 2025 pass out batch, and if you have knowledge of Node.js, Python, Django, React, then you can fill this form, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So your job location will be Salt Lake Sector 5 Kolkata, and you will be joining as software developer. So company name is Vyrazu Lab Private Limited, and this is one of the also good hiring, so everyone should apply. So these were important video, and if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can basically fill our form. We will provide you complete guidance and all that things. So if you are interested, you can fill the Google form for this. So for getting such informative video, you can subscribe us. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.